Hello, students. I wanted to go over Assignment 3, Section 3 of Assignment 3 in my cop1000 course. There appears to be a little bit of confusion over how to do this, and historically, this assignment is the hardest assignment that students have had in any of my classes, and I don't know why, because it should be actually the easiest. And I think it's because sometimes students get a little bit complacent or lazy, and they don't do the proper research. So I'm going to go through it, and I'll kind of spoon feed you through it. We'll see how you do this particular section does. So here we go. We're going to convert number systems, various number systems, bits and bytes, and we'll see how we do. All right, so we're going to be looking for the highest decimal possible in section 3. Now, the highest decimal number is the largest decimal number or human readable number that a certain combination of bits can represent. Let's say we're looking for the highest decimal number 4 bits can represent. Just so you know, 4 bits is also known as a nibble in the scientific community, and it's shown here as 1111 binary, so all 4 bits would be on to give us the highest decimal number. And what you do is you simply add up the value of all 4 bits being on. So we're going to convert 1111 binary to a decimal number. And we do that when we go and we turn on all these bits. It'd be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which equals 15. Now, 15 is the human readable number that we talked about. So that is the largest decimal number that 4 bits can represent. So it's really not that difficult. Now, there are some things that I'm looking for in this particular assignment. In some cases, I may ask you, what's the largest decimal number that a byte can represent? Well, a byte is going to be 8 bits on. So right here is the binary 8 bits. That's a byte of information. And you would just simply add those up. When you get done, you should not have any numbers with decimal points or scientific notation. It should just be decimal numbers, the numbers that us humans use. So if you go through this and you end up with decimal points or you end up with scientific notation, you've done something wrong. Now, what I do is I highly encourage you to watch several videos on YouTube. You can research the different number conversions. You do have a discussion question on why we use the various numbering systems that we use in the scientific and in the IT industries. So make sure you do a little bit of research there. Just don't jot anything down. Now, if I give you a 1 on an assignment, this would be one of them that I do that with a lot. On any assignment, it means that you didn't do something correctly. So unlike some other professors, and I'm not going to judge other people, my job is to help you learn. My job isn't to grade. Okay, so grading is part of my job, but the core of my job is teaching you to learn about different concepts, and some of them are going to be new to you. So a lot of times I'll kick back an assignment and I'll assign you to a 1. That doesn't mean that that's your final score. What that means is that you did something wrong, and I'm allowing you a chance to correct it. And then if you submit it wrong a second time, you normally get a 2. I'll put a comment in there, and then I'll reassign the assignment to you. So if you get a 1 or a 2 on an assignment, it just means you did something wrong. Now, if 6 attempts later you're still doing something wrong, I'm eventually going to give up. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. If you're in a situation where I got to show you 6 different times and explain your homework to you, then you're doing something wrong, not me. So anyways, thank you. I hope that helps a little bit with assignment 3, section 3. It's a high failure place, or the rest of the sections 1, 2, and 4. 99% of students ace those. Okay, there's not really an issue there, but for whatever reason, historically, section 3s have been a little bit challenging. Thank you, folks, and have a good day.